Hi, this is Simon from UltiM8 Tools. A quick video to talk to you about one of our fastest selling products or picks. These are the pick sets, the Dimple pick sets that we actually sell either direct or through our wholesalers. There's 8 of these in here. You've got a couple of tensioning bars as well. Now you'll notice that they're colour coded, so you've got 2 blue, 2 red, 2 silver, 2 gold. Now they're colour coded and there's 2 red, 2 silver, 2 gold, whatever, because there's 2 or 1 of each, so you have a left hand and a right hand. What's unique about these lovely little picks is that the base actually swivels. It's designed to sit in your hand like so, and when you just twist like this, you can see the end going round, but the actual main body doesn't move, i.e. this bit doesn't move but this bit does, so it gives you a real good feel on the actual cylinder or the pins as you're actually picking, and you can actually do that. So it's a tiny little movement. These are on our website. As I said, they're also on our wholesalers websites. Very affordable, really high quality flag picks for the Dimple cylinders. So get yourself some, go online, have a look. Either go on Aldridge, SKS, etc., or onto our website is www.UltiM8, that's M and the number 8, tools.com. See you soon.